माइक्रोब्स इन ह्यूमन वेलफेयर, डेट 18/7/24। इससे बाहर क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा। ओके, आगे बढ़ो। Beside macromolecules, कौन micromolecules, plant and animal microbes are the major component of biological system on the earth। यहाँ पे क्या बोला? Beside microscopic plant and animal, माइक्रोस्कोपिक, माइक्रो MA है ना, हाँ बड़ा वाला माइक्रोस्कोपिक। बिसाइड माइक्रोस्कोपिक प्लांट एंड एनिमल, माइक्रोस्कोपिक प्लांट एंड एनिमल को छोड़ के माइक्रोब्स MI, हाँ माइक्रोब्स आर द मेजर कंपोनेंट ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम ऑन अर्थ। यू हैव स्टडी अबाउट द डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इन क्लास 11। डू यू रिमेंबर विच किंगडम among the living organism contain microorganism? All 5 kingdom, yes. Which are the one that are only microscopic? I think Monera. Microbes are present everywhere in soil, water, air, inside our bodies, and that of our animal, that of other animal and plant। हाँ, माइक्रोब जो है सब जगह प्रेजेंट होता है, एवरीवेयर, लाइक इन सॉइल, वाटर, एयर, inside our body, and that of other animal and plant। Okay, they are present even at the site where no other life form could possible exist। माइक्रोब्स वहाँ पे भी प्रेजेंट होता है जहाँ पे कोई दूसरा लाइफ एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं कर सकता है। ओके, दे आर प्रेजेंट इवन एट द साइट वेयर नो अदर लाइफ फॉर्म कुड पॉसिबली एग्जिस्ट साइट, सच एज डीप इनसाइड द ग्लेशियर, गीजर, डीप इनसाइड अ गीजर, थर्मल वेंट, गीजर को क्या बोलते हैं? थर्मल वेंट, वेयर द टेम्परेचर मे बी हाई एज 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस, डीप इन द सॉइल, under the layer of snow several meter thick, and in highly acidic environment। Okay, microbes are diverse protozoa, bacteria, fungi, and microscopic animal and plant virus, viroids, and also the purines that are proteinous infection agent। यहाँ पे क्या बोला? माइक्रोब्स जो है ना, माइक्रोब्स आर डाइवर्स प्रोटोजो, माइक्रोब्स जो है डाइवर्स होता है। एग्जांपल प्रोटोजोआ, बैक्टीरिया, फंगी, माइक्रोस्कोपिक एनिमल, प्लांट, वायरस, विरोइड्स एंड प्यूरेंस। प्यूरेंस क्या होता है? प्रोटीनियस इन्फेक्शन एजेंट होता है। ओके, सम क्या है? सम ऑफ द माइक्रोब्स आर स्नो इन 8.1 and 8.2। ओके, microbes like bacteria and many fungi can be grown on nutrition medium to form colonies। हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या बोला? microbes like bacteria and many fungi can be grown on nutritive medium to form colonies that can be seen with the naked eyes। हाँ, कॉलोनीज हम लोग नेक्ट आइज से सीन कर सकते हैं। ओके, सच कल्चर आर यूजफुल इन स्टडी ऑन माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म। माइक्रोब्स लाइक बैक्टीरिया एंड फंगी कैन ग्रोन ऑन न्यूट्रिशन मीडियम, ठीक है, टू फॉर्म कॉलोनीज दैट कैन बी सीन टू द नेक्ट आइज। कॉलोनी नेक्ट आइज भी सी करता है। और कॉलोनी जो है, कॉलोनी कल्चर, सच कल्चर आर यूजफुल इन स्टडी द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म। कौन का स्टडी? कल्चर वाला, कॉलोनीज वाला यूजफुल है स्टडी द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म। ओके, यहाँ पे देखो ये क्या है? बैक्टीरिया, रोड शेप बैक्टीरिया है, कितना? 1500 मैग्नीफाई किया। ओके, ये क्या है? स्फेरिकल शेप, इसको 1500 गुना मैग्नीफाई किया। ये क्या है? रोड शेप बैक्टीरिया शोइंग फेल्जिया। रोड सबके पास क्या होता है? फेल्जिया भी होता है। ये कितना है? 50,000 एक्स, इतना मैग्नीफाइड होता। ओके, वायरस ए बैक्टीरियोफेज, ये क्या है? बैक्टीरियोफेज वायरस। ये क्या है? बैक्टीरियोफेज वायरस है। ओके, बैक्टीरियोफेज मतलब जो वायरस बैक्टीरिया को अटैक करता है। ओके, हेड, ये हेड हुआ, ये कॉलर, ये टेल, ये प्लेट, ये पिंस, प्लेट के नीचे क्या होता है? पिंस होता है। और ये क्या? प्रोलॉन्ग्स, ये जो फैलाता है उसको कहते हैं प्रॉन्ग्स। ओके, ये क्या? सेकेंड वाला बी क्या है? एडिनो वायरस विच कॉज रिस्पिरेटरी इन्फेक्शन। ये एडिनो वायरस है जिसके कारण रिस्पिरेटरी इन्फेक्शन होता है। और इस तीसरा क्या सी? रॉड शेप टबैको मॉस्की वायरस है TM मैग्नीफाइड अबाउट 1 लाख टू 1.5 लाख ओके हाँ मॉस्की वायरस है ओके colonies form of bacteria in a petri dish colonies formed in petri dish और ये क्या है फंगल colony grown in bacteria dish फंगल ओके In chapter 7 you have read the microbes cause a large number of disease in human being. They also cause a disease in animal and plant. But this could not make you think that all microbes are harmful. Several microbes are useful to man in diverse way. Some of the most important contribution of microbes to human welfare are discussed in this chapter. Okay. Microbes in household product. You would be surprised to know that we use microbes or product derived from them every day. Huh? You would be surprised to know that we use microbes or product derived from them every day. Yes. A common example is the production of curd from milk. Microorganisms such as lactobacillus and other commonly called the lacto-acid bacteria LAB grown in milk and convert to curd. Yes. During growth the lab produce acid. हाँ during growth में क्या होता है lab produce करता है acid that conjugate and partially digest the milk protein. लैब जो एसिड सिक्रेट करता है उससे क्या होता है conjugate होता है and partial digest the milk protein. Okay. A small amount of curd added to the fresh milk as a inclome or starter contain millions of lab which at suitable temperature multiply कितना suitable temperature पे ही multiply कर सकता है suitable temperature multiply and thus converting milk to curd which also improve its nutritional quality by increasing vitamin B12. हाँ जब दूध से दही बनता है ना तो also in nutrition quality increase कर जाता है by vitamin B12. Okay. In our stomachs too lab play very beneficial role in checking disease causing microbes. हाँ हमारे स्टोमैच में लैब जो जाता है ना लैब वो वेरी बेनिफिशियल रोल करता है इन चेकिंग डिजीज काउजिंग माइक्रोब्स में. ओके. The dough which is used for making food such as डोसा and इडली is also fragmented by bacteria. हाँ हम लोग जो डोसा और इडली बनाते हैं ना उसका डो जो बनाते हैं वो भी फ्रेगमेंट होता है किससे बाय बैक्टीरिया से. ओके. The puff of appearance of dough is due to the production of carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Can you tell which metabolism pathway is taking place result in the formation of CO2? Where do you think the bacteria from this fragmentation comes from? Similarly, the dough which is used for making the bread is fragmented by using baker yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. A number of traditional drink and food are also made by fragmented. हाँ ए नंबर बहुत सारे ट्रेडिशनल ड्रिंक और फूड लिखा हुआ है. ट्रेडिशनल ड्रिंक एंड फूड आर ऑल्सो मेड बाय फ्रेगमेंटेड बाय माइक्रोब्स. टोडी ए ट्रेडिशनल ड्रिंक ऑफ सम पार्ट ऑफ साउथर्न इंडिया इज मेड बाय फ्रेगमेंटेशन सेप फ्रॉम द प्लांट. हाँ देखो टोडी जो है ना टोडी ए ट्रेडिशनल ड्रिंक है सम पार्ट कुछ ही पार्ट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका का साउथ इंडिया का इज मेड ए फ्रेगमेंट ऑफ sap from the plant. Okay. Microbes are also used to fragment fish, soybean and bamboo shoot to make food. हाँ microbes are also used to fragment fish, soybean and bamboo shoot to make food. Cheese is one of the oldest food item in which microbes were used. हाँ चीज़ जो है वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट फूड आइटम है इन विच द माइक्रोब्स वेयर यूज्ड. ओके. डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ चीज आर नोन बाय देयर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक टेक्सचर फ्लेवर एंड टेस्ट. हाँ डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ चीज आर नोन बाय देयर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक टेक्सचर फ्लेवर एंड टेस्ट. द स्पेसिफिसिटी कमिंग फ्रॉम द माइक्रोब्स यूज। हाँ, चीज़ में स्पेसिफिसिटी कहाँ से आ जाता है? स्पेसिफिसिटी एमंग कमिंग्स फ्रॉम द माइक्रोब्स यूज, जो माइक्रोब्स यूज करते उसका फ्रेगमेंट करने के लिए। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लार्ज होल्स इन सीवेज चीज आर ड्यू टू द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ CO2 बाय बैक्टीरियम नेम Porphyrinobacteria ceremoniae. Okay, the rotifort cheese are ripened by growing a specific fungi on them, which give the particular flavor. Microbes in industrial product. Okay, even in industry, microbes are used to synthesize a number of products valuable to the human being. ठीक है, इंडस्ट्री में माइक्रोब्स आर यूज टू सिंथेसाइज, इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है? माइक्रोब्स आर यूज टू सिंथेसाइज ए नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट वैल्यूएबल टू द ह्यूमन बीइंग. ओके, ब्रीवेज एंड एंटीबायोटिक आर सम एग्जांपल. प्रोडक्शन ऑन द इंडस्ट्रियल स्केल रिक्वायर ग्रोइंग माइक्रोब्स इन अ लार्ज वेसल्स कॉल्ड फ्रेगमेंटेड. हाँ देखो, विरेज और एन एंटीबॉडीज आर सम एग्जांपल है इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट स्केल प्रोडक्शन के लिए. ठीक है, माइक्रोब्स का. ओके, फ्रेगमेंटेड ब्रिज microbes especially yeast have been used from time immemorial time से for the production of beverages like wine, beer, whiskey, brandy, rum. For this purpose the same yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae used for the bread making and commonly called the brewer yeast is used for the fermentation melted cereal and fruit juice to produce ethanol. Okay, do you recollect the metabolism reaction which is result in the production of ethanol by yeast? Depending on the type of raw material used for fermentation and the type of purposing, with or without distillation, different type of alcohol drink are obtained. Wine and beer are the production without distillation, where whiskey, brandy and rum are the produced by distillation of the ferment both. This photography of fermented plant is seen in the फिगर 8.5. देखो, डिस्टिलेशन करेंगे तो उसका अल्कोहलिक कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ जाएगा, पर बियर और वाइन में अल्कोहलिक कंसंट्रेशन कम होता क्योंकि वो विदाउट डिस्टिलेशन होता. विस्की, ब्रांडी, रम में डिस्टिलेशन होता है, इसीलिए उसका अल्कोहलिक कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ जाता है. ओके, ये क्या है? फ्रेगमेंटर्स. ओके, ये क्या है? फ्रेगमेंटर प्लांट. यहाँ पे देखो आदमी है, यहाँ पे देखो आदमी कितना ऊंचाई पे खड़ा है, इसको साफ इसमें मिला रहा है कुछ. ओके, हाँ, Antibiotics produced by microbes are regarded as one of the most significant discoveries of the 20th century and greatly contribute toward the welfare of the human society. Antibiotics produced by microbes are regarded as one of the most significant discovery of the 20th century. कितना? 20th century have greatly contributed toward the welfare of the human society. Anti is a Greek word means against, and bio means a life. Together means against life in the context of disease causing organism. Where the reference to the human being, they are pro-life and not against. Antibiotics are chemical substance which are produced by the some लिखा वहाँ पे some microbes and kill or retard the growth of other disease causing microbe. Antibiotics are chemical substance produced by some लिखा वहाँ पे some microbes and kill or retard, kill करेगा चाहे retard कर देगा the growth of other disease causing microbes. Okay, you are familiar with the commonly used antibiotic penicillin. Do you know that penicillin was first antibiotic? penicillin क्या था? फर्स्ट एंटीबायोटिक था टू डिस्कवर एंड इट वाज अ चांस डिस्कवरी. पेंसिलिन डिस्कवर किया था फर्स्ट टाइम, बट इट चांस डिस्कवरी था. यस, चांस से डिस्कवर हो गया था। अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग वाइल वर्किंग ऑन द स्ट्रेप्टोकोकाई बैक्टीरिया once observed a could growing in one of his unvast culture plate around which streptococcus could not grow। यहाँ पे क्या बोला, Alexander Fleming, while working on Streptococci bacteria, once observed a could growing in one of his unvast culture plate. Grown on in one of the unvast culture around which Streptococcus do not grow. He found out that it was due to the chemical produced by the mold. It how डर सोचा कि ऐसा हो रहा है क्योंकि chemical produced by the mold and name is penicillin after could penicillin notatum. Okay. However, his full potential and effective antibiotic was established much later by Eriston Chen and Holly Forey. हाँ. This antibiotic was extensively used to treat American soldiers wanted in World War II. Fleming, Chen, and Foley was regarded the Nobel Prize in 1945 for his discovery. Okay. After penicillin, other antibiotics were also purified from other microbes. Yes, other antibiotics were also purified from other microbes. Can you name some other antibiotic and found out their source? Antibiotics have greatly improved our capacity to treat deadly diseases such as plague, whooping cough मतलब काला खांसी, diphtheria, कल गोत and leprosia कुष्ठ रोग, which used to kill millions all over the globe. Today we cannot imagine world without antibiotic. Chemical, enzyme and other bioactive molecules. Microbes are also used for commercial and industrial production of certain chemical like organic acid, alcohol and enzyme. यहाँ पे क्या बोला, माइक्रोब आर ऑल्सो यूज फॉर कमर्शियल एंड इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अदर केमिकल लाइक ऑर्गेनिक एसिड एल्कोहल एंड एंजाइम. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एसिड प्रोड्यूसर आर एस्पेरेजिलियस निगर ए फंगस. एस्पेरेजिलियस निगर ए फंगस है ऑफ सिट्रिक एसिड पैदा करता. ओके. एसिटोबैक्टीरिया एसिड बैक्टीरियम ऑफ एसिटिक एसिड. कोलिस्ट्रोम ब्यूटिलियम ए बैक्टीरिया ऑफ ब्यूट्रिक एसिड. लैक्टोबैसिलस ए बैक्टीरियम ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड. ईस्ट Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used for commercial production of ethanol. Microbes are also used for the production of enzyme. हाँ, माइक्रोब्स जो है माइक्रोब्स आर ऑल्सो यूज फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एंजाइम. ओके. लिपिड्स आर used in detergent formulation and are helpful in removing oil stain from the laundry. You must have noticed that bottled fruit juice bought from market are clear as compared to the made at home. This is because of the bottled juice are clarified by the use of pectinose and fructose. Streptokinase produced by the bacterium Streptococcus and modified by the genetic engineering is used as a clot buster for removing clot from blood vessel of patients who undergo myocardial infarction leading to the heart attack. Streptococcus produced by the bacterium Streptococcus and modified by genetic engineering used as a clot buster for removing clot from the vessel of patients who undergo myocardial infarction leading to the heart attack. Another bioactive molecules क्या है, bioactive molecule cyclosporin A that is used as an immune suppression agent in an organ transplant patient is produced by the fungus Trichoderma polysporium. Stain produced by the yeast Monococcus purpurea have been commercially as a blood cholesterol lowering agent. It acts as competitive inhibition by enzyme responsible for the synthesis of cholesterol. Okay. Microbes in sewage treatment. We know that large quantity of wastewater are generated every day in cities and towns. Yes, a major component of this wastewater is human extract. हाँ, मेजर कंपोनेंट ऑफ वेस्ट वाटर क्या, मेजर कंपोनेंट पूछ रहा है वेस्ट वाटर का क्या है, ह्यूमन एक्सक्रीटा. द दिस म्यूनसिपल वेस्ट वाटर इज कॉल्ड द सीवेज. हाँ, म्यूनसिपल वेस्ट वाटर इज कॉल्ड सीवेज. म्यूनसिपल वेस्ट वाटर इज कॉल्ड सीवेज. इट कंटेन लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर एंड माइक्रोब्स. हाँ, सीवेज वेस्ट वाटर कंटेन लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर एंड माइक्रोब्स, मैनी ऑफ विच आर पैथोजेनिक. हाँ, माइक्रोब्स जो होता है मैनी ऑफ देम, मैनी सब नहीं, मैनी बोला, मैनी ऑफ देम आर पैथोजेनिक. हैव यू एवर वंडर वेयर दिस ह्यूज क्वांटिटी ऑफ सीवेज और अर्बन वेस्ट वाटर इज डिपोजिट ऑफ डेली. ठीक है. This cannot discharge into natural bodies like river and stream directly. You can understand why. Before disposal, hence sewage is treated in the sewage treatment plant to make it less polluting. Treatment of wastewater is done by heterotrophic microbes naturally present in the sewage. This treatment is carried out in the two stages. Primary treatment. This treatment step basically involve physical removal of particles, large and small, from the sewage through filtration and sedimentation. Filtration जो ऊपर में तैर रहा और sedimentation जो नीचे में बैठ जाता. Okay. These are removed in stage. Initially, the floating debris is removed by the subsequently filtration. Then the gripped soil and small pebble are removed by the sedimentation. All solid that settle from the primary sludge and then supernatant form. हाँ, all solid जितना से all solid that settle from the primary sludge and the supernatant form the effluent. Supernatant from the effluent. The effluent from the primary settling tank is taken for secondary treatment. ठीक है. सेकेंडरी ट्रीटमेंट और बायोलॉजिकल ट्रीटमेंट. सेकेंडरी ट्रीटमेंट को हम लोग बायोलॉजिकल ट्रीटमेंट बोलते हैं. द प्राइमरी इफ्लुएंट इज पासेस इनटू द लार्ज एरीगेशन टैंक. लार्ज एरीगेशन टैंक, एरीगेशन मतलब एयर टैंक. हाँ, लार्ज एरीगेशन टैंक where it is constantly aggregate mechanically and air is pumped into it. The allow vigorous growth of useful aerobic microbes into the flock. हाँ, aerobic microbes into the flock. Flocks will the mass of bacteria associated with the fungal filament to form mesh-like structure. Flocks will the mass of bacteria associated with the fungal filament to form mesh-like structure. While growing, these microbes consume the large part of organic matter into the effluent. While growing, these microbes consume the large part of the organic matter in the effluent. हाँ, जब ग्रो करता है these microbes consume the large part of the organic matter in the effluent. This significantly reduce the BOD, biological oxygen demand of the effluent. This significantly reduce the biological oxygen demand of the effluent. BOD refer to the amount of oxygen that could be consumed if all the organic matter in 1 liter of water were dissolved by the bacteria. BOD refer to the amount of oxygen that could be consumed if all the organic matter in 1 liter of water were oxidized by the bacteria. Okay. The sewage water is treated till the BOD is reduced. हाँ, सीवेज वाटर को ट्रीट तब तक करते हैं जब तक BOD reduce नहीं हो जाता. The sewage water is treated till BOD is reduced. The BOD test measure the rate of uptake of oxygen by microorganism in a sample of water and thus indirectly Indirectly, BOD is a measure of organic matter present in the water. The greater the BOD of wastewater, more is the pollutant potential. यहाँ पे क्या बोला, BOD टेस्ट मेजर द रेट ऑफ अपटेक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन बाय माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म in a sample of water, and thus indirectly BOD is measure the organic matter present in water. Indirectly, BOD measure the organic matter present in the water. The greater the BOD of wastewater, more is its pollutant potential. Okay. Once BOD of sewage or wastewater is reduced significantly, the effluent is then passes into the settling tank, where the bacterial floc are allowed to sediment. हाँ, this sediment is called the activate sludge. यहाँ पे क्या बोला, once the BOD सीवेज और वेस्ट वाटर इज reduced significantly, जब reduce significantly हो जाएगा, the effluent is then passes into the settling tank. Effluent is then passes into the settling tank, where the bacteria floc are allowed to sediment. Where bacteria floc allowed to sediment. Then this sedimentation is called activate sludge. यहाँ पे क्या बोला, जब BOD तो वेस्ट वाटर का रिड्यूस कर जाता है सिग्निफिकेंटली, द इफ्लुएंट को पास करता है किसमें, सेटलिंग टैंक में. वेयर सेटलिंग टैंक में क्या होता है, बैक्टीरिया फ्लॉग आर अलाउड टू सेडिमेंट. क्या हो जाता है, सेडिमेंट हो जाता है बैक्टीरिया फ्लॉग. दिस सेडिमेंट इज कॉल्ड एक्टिवेट स्लग. ओके. A small part of the activate slug is pumped back into the irrigation tank to serve as the inoculum. यहाँ पे क्या बोला, a small part of the activate sludge is pumped back into the irrigation tank to serve as inoculum. Okay. The remaining major part of the slug is pumped into the large tank. इसमें large tank में called anaerobic sludge digester. Okay. Here the other kind of bacteria which grow anaerobically digest the bacteria and the fungi in the sludge. हाँ, anaerobic slug digester में क्या होता है, here other kind of bacteria which grow anaerobically digest the bacteria and the fungi in the sludge. Okay. During this digestion, bacteria produce a mixture of gas such as methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. Okay. During the digestion, bacteria produce a mixture of gas such as methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. These gases form biogas and can be used as a source of energy, as in the form of inflammable. These gases from biogas can be used as a source of energy as in inflammable. Okay. These gas from biogas this gas कौन हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड मीथेन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैन बी यूज एज सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी की तरह यूज करता एज इन इनफ्लेमेबल. ओके. द इफ्लुएंट फ्रॉम द सेकेंडरी ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट इज जनरली रिलीज्ड इनटू द नेचुरल वाटर बॉडी लाइक रिवर एंड स्ट्रीम. एन एरिगुलर व्यू ऑफ सच प्लांट्स देखना. द इफ्लुएंट फ्रॉम द सेकेंडरी, हाँ किससे, द इफ्लुएंट फ्रॉम द सेकेंडरी ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट इज जनरली रिलीज इनटू द नेचुरल वाटर बॉडी एंड स्ट्रीम. किसमें, सेकेंडरी ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट से. हाँ. You can appreciate how microbes play a major role in the treating millions of gallons of wastewater every day across the globe. This methodology has been practiced for more than a century now almost all part of the world. Till date, no man-made technology has been able to reveal the microbial treatment of sewage. You are aware that due to the increased urbanization, sewage is being produced in such a large quantity than ever before. However, the number of sewage treatment plants has not increased enough to treat such large quantity. So that untreated sewage is often discharged directly into the river, leading to their pollution and increase in the waterborne disease. The Ministry of Environment and Forest initiate Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan to save this major river of our country from pollution. Under this plan, it's proposed to build a large number of sewage treatment plants so that only treated sewage may be discharged into the river. discharge into the river. A visit to the sewage treatment plant situated any place near you could very interestingly and educated expression an aerial view of sewage. बहुत बड़ा बड़ा होता है, बाप रे बाप. 3. Microbes in the production of biogas. Biogas is a mixture of gas. Biogas क्या होता है? Mixture of gases contain predominantly methane. क्या करता है? Contain predominantly methane is proposed by the microbial activity which may be used as a fuel. हाँ, which may be used as fuel. You have learned that microbes produce different type of gases and product during growth and metabolism. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? You have learned that microbes produce different type of gases and product during the growth and metabolism. उसमें growth and metabolism में. Okay. The type of gas produced depend upon the microbes and the organic substrate they utilized. The type of gas produced depend upon the microbes and the organic substrate they utilized. Okay. In the example cited in the relation to fermentation of dough, cheese making and the production of beverage, the main gas produced as the CO2. हाँ. However, a certain bacteria which grow anaerobically on cellulose material produce large amount of methane along with the CO2 H2. हाँ, large amount of क्या करता है? Large amount of methane along with the CO2 H2. These bacteria are collectively called the methanogens, and one such common bacteria is methanobacterium. हाँ, these bacteria are collectively called the methanogens, and one such common bacteria is called methanobacterium. Okay. One such bacteria is called methanobacterium. These bacteria are commonly found in the anaerobic sludge. किसमें? Anaerobic sludge during sewage treatment. These bacteria, methanobacteria, are commonly found in the anaerobic sludge. किसमें? Anaerobic sludge में during sewage treatment. These bacteria are also present in a rumen, a part of stomach of cattle. A lot of cellulosic material present in the foot of cattle is also present in the rumen. हाँ, literal इंग्लिश को बोलता. In rumen, these bacteria help in the breakdown of cellulose and play an important role in the nutrition of the cattle. Do you think we have human beings are able to digest the cellulose present in our food? Yes. Thus the excreta dungs of cattle, commonly called the gobar, is rich in these bacteria. कौन? Methanogens में. Dung can be used for generation of biogas, commonly called the gobar gas. Okay. The biogas plant consists of concrete tank 10 to 15 meter deep in which bio waste are collected and celery dung is filled. In which bio waste are collected and celery of dung is filled. A floating cover is placed over the celery. किस पे? Celery पे. हाँ हाँ. A floating cover is placed over celery which keep on rising as the gas is produced in the tank due to the microbial activity. क्यों? Due to the microbial activity. Assertion reason यहाँ बनेगा. Okay. The biogas plant has an outlet which is connected to a pipe to the supply of biogas nearby house. Okay. The spent celery is removed through another outlet. हाँ, and may be used as a fertilizer. हाँ, जो बच जाता है ना उसको अलग कर दिया जाता है किसी अदर आउटलेट से. मे बी यूज एज फर्टिलाइजर. मे बी, ऑलवेज नहीं, मे बी. हाँ. केटल डंग इज अवेलेबल इन लार्ज क्वांटिटी इन द रूरल एरिया. रूरल मतलब गांव में. एंड केटल आर फॉर ए variety of purpose. So biogas plants are more often built in the rural area. The biogas thus produced is used for the cooking and lighting. Biogas are used for the cooking and lighting. The picture of biogas plant is shown in figure 8.8. The technology of biogas production was developed in India mainly due to the effort of Indian Agriculture Research Institute IARI and the Khadi and Village Industry Commission KVIC. if your school is situated in a village or near village, it would be very interesting to inquiry if there any biogas plant prefer. Visit the biogas plant and learn more about it um, form and people are actually managing it. Okay. टिपिकल बायोगैस प्लांट यहाँ पे डंग एंड वाटर को ऐड करता है, ये डाइजेस्टर यहाँ पे डाइजेस्ट होता, ये क्या गैस होल्डर है और ये क्या स्लज्ड है। ओके, यहाँ से गैस जाता है घर सब में। हाँ, microbes as a biocontrol agent. Microbes as a biocontrol agent. Biocontrol refer to the use of biochemical method for controlling plant disease and pest. Biocontrol refer to the use of biological method for controlling plant disease and pest. In modern society, these problems have been tackled increasingly by the use of chemical, by use of insecticide and pesticide. These chemicals are toxic and extremely harmful to the human being and animal alike. हाँ, ह्यूमन बींग के लिए और एनिमल के लिए भी alike, and have been polluting our environment. और क्या करता, पोल्यूटिंग करता our environment को, soil, ground water, fruit, vegetable and crop plant. Our soil is also polluted through our use of weedicides to remove weeds. हाँ, biological control of pest and disease. In agriculture, there is a method of controlling pest that relies on natural predators, natural predation rather than the introduction of chemical. A key belief of the organic farmer is that biodiversity further health. हाँ, biodiversity further key belief क्या है, key belief of organic farming, the biodiversity further healthy, biodiversity further healthy. The more variety of landscape has more sustainable it is. हाँ, the more variety a landscape has, more sustainable for it. The organic farmer therefore work to create a system where the insects that are sometimes called pests, insects that are sometimes called pests are not eradicated, but instead are kept at manageable level by complex system of check and balance within the living and variant ecosystem. Contrary to the conventionally farming practice which often use chemical method to kill both useful and harmful life form indiscriminately. This is a holistic approach that seeks to develop an understanding of the waves of the interaction between the myriads of organisms that constitute the field of fauna and flora. The organic farmer holds the view that the eradication of creatures that are often described as a pest is not only possible but also undesirable, for without them the beneficial predator and parasite insect which depend upon them as a food or host would not been able to survive. Thus the use of biocontrol measure will greatly reduce our dependence on toxic chemical and pesticide. An important part of the biological farming approach is to become familiar with the various life forms that inhabit the field, predators as well as pests, and also their life cycle, patterns of feeding, and the habit that they perform. This will help develop appropriate means of biocontrol. Okay. The very familiar beetle with red and black marking. A very familiar beetle with red and black marking, the ladybird and the dragonfly are useful to get rid of aphids and mosquito respectively. Ladybird rids of aphids and dragonfly mosquito. An example of microbial biocontrolling agent that can be introduced in order to control butterfly caterpillar is the bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis, often written as BT. These are available in the sachet as dried spore, which are mixed with the water and sprayed on vulnerable plants. Vulnerable plant. Okay. Such as Berrycacia and fruit tree. Such as Berrycacia and fruit tree, where these are eaten by the insect larva. In the gut of the larva, the toxin is released and the larvae get killed. The bacterial disease will kill the caterpillar. But leave other insect unharmed. Because of the assertion region यहाँ भी बन जाएगा. Because of the development of method of genetic engineering in the last decades or so, scientists have introduced B. thuringiensis toxin gene into the plant. Such plants are resistant to the attack by insect pests. Bt cotton is one such example which being cultivated in some state of our country. You will learn more about this in chapter 10. A biological control being developed for the use in the treatment of plant disease in the fungus Trichoderma. A biocontroller being developed for the use of treatment of plant disease in the fungus Trichoderma. Trichoderma species are free living. Trichoderma species are free living fungi. Trichoderma species are free living fungi that are very common in the root ecosystem. Very common in the root ecosystem. They are effective biocontrolling agent for several plant pathogens. Baculovirus are the pathogen that attack insect and other arthropoda. The majority of baculovirus, majority का बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. हाँ, the majority of the baculovirus used as a biocontrolling agent are in the genus Nucleopolyhedrovirus. हाँ, the majority of the baculovirus used as biocontrolling agent are in the genus Nucleopolyhedrovirus. These viruses are excellent candidates for species narrow spectrum insecticidal application. They have been shown to have no negative impact on plant, mammal, bird, fish, or even non-target insect. This is especially desirable when beneficial insects are being conserved to aid in overall integrated pest management IPM program और the ecological sensitive area being treated. देखो इसमें क्या बोल रहा है, वैकुलोवायरस जो है स्पेशली डिजराइबल होता है व्हेन बेनिफिशियल इंसेक्ट आर बीइंग कंजर्व. जब हम लोग बेनिफिशियल इंसेक्ट को कंजर्व करना चाहते हैं टू एड इन ओवरऑल इंटीग्रेटेड पेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, to an overall integrated pest IPM integrated pest management program or being ecological sensitive area in the being treated. Microbes as a biofertilizer. With our present day lifestyle, environment pollution is a major cause of concern. With our present day lifestyle, environment pollution is a major cause of concern. The use of chemical fertilizer to meet the ever increased demand of agriculture produce has contributed significantly this pollution. The use of chemical fertilizer to meet the ever increased demand of agriculture produce has contributed significantly to this pollution. Of course, we have now realized that there are problem associated with the overuse of chemical fertilizer, and there is a large pressure to switch the organic farming as the use of biofertilizer. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, of course we have now realized, अब हम रियलाइज कर चुके हैं, there are a problem associated with the overuse of chemical fertilizer and there is a large pressure to switch organic farming, the use of biofertilizer. Biofertilizer are organism that enrich the nutrition quality of the soil. Biofertilizer क्या होता है, biofertilizer are the organism that enrich the nutrition quality of the soil. The main source of biofertilizer are the bacteria, fungi and cyanobacteria. The main source of biofertilizer are bacteria, fungi and cyanobacteria. Okay, You have a study about the nodules on the root of leguminous plant formed by the symbiotic association of ribosome. राइबोसोम, हाँ क्या बोला यहाँ पे बोल रहा है यू हैव स्टडी अबाउट द nodal on the root of leguminous plant formed by the symbiotic association of ribosome. यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बनेगा ही बनेगा. You have studied the nodals of the root of leguminous plant. किसका? रूट ऑफ लेगुमिनस प्लांट का, formed by the symbiotic association of rhizobium. These bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen into the organic farming which is used by the plant as a nutrition. हाँ, राइजोबियम जो है, राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया क्या करता है? फिक्स एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन इनटू द ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग विच इज यूज्ड बाय द प्लांट टू एज ए न्यूट्रिएंट. हाँ, नाइट्रोजन. ओके. Other bacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen while free living in the soil. Example, Azospirillum and Azobacteria that enrich the nitrogen content of this. नहीं समझे? फिर अदर बैक्टीरिया क्या ही बैक्टीरिया है? अदर बैक्टीरिया कैन फिक्स एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन वाइल फ्री लिविंग इन द सॉइल. किसमें? फ्री लिविंग इन द सॉइल. एग्जाम्पल, Azobacteria and Azospirillum. Azo that enrich the nitrogen content in the soil. Fungi are also known to form symbiotic association with plant of mycorrhiza. Many member of the genus Glomulus. किसका? फंगी का genus. Many member of the genus mycorrhiza का Glomulus form mycorrhiza. हाँ, many member of the genus Glomulus किसका? फंगी का Glomulus form mycorrhiza. Many member of the genus Glomulus form mycorrhiza. The fungal symbiote in this association absorb phosphorus from the soil and passes to the plant. The fungal symbiotic in this association absorb phosphorus from the soil and passes to the plant. Plant having such association show other benefit also, such as resistance to the root-borne pathogen, tolerance to salinity and drought, and an overall increase in the plant growth and development. फंगल एसोसिएशन का एक अदर बेनिफिट ऑल्सो सच एज रेसिस्टेंस टू द रूट बॉर्न पैथोजन, टॉलरेंस टू द सैलिनिटी एंड ड्राउट, एंड ओवरऑल इंक्रीज इन प्लांट ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. कैन यू टेल व्हाट एडवांटेज द फंगल ड्राइव फ्रॉम दिस एसोसिएशन? Cyanobacteria are autotrophic microbes widely distributed in the aquatic and terrestrial environment, many of which can fix atmospheric nitrogen. Example, Annabia, Nostia and Oscillator. In paddy field, cyanobacteria serve as an important biofertilizer. हाँ, paddy field में cyanobacteria serve as an important biofertilizer. Blue-green algae are also added to the organic matter to the soil and increase its fertility. Blue-green algae also added organic matter to the soil that increase the fertility. Currently in our country, a number of biofertilizers are available commercially in the market, and the farmer use this regular in their field to replenish soil nutrition and also reduce the dependence on chemical fertilizer Yes. Summary. Microbes are a very important component of life on earth. Not all microbes are pathogenic. Many microbes are very useful to human beings. We use microbes and microbial derived products almost every day. Bacteria called lactic acid bacteria grow in milk to convert it into curd. The dough which is used to make bread is fermented by yeast called Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Certain dishes such as idli and dosa का बात किया सिर्फ, are made from the dough fermented by microbes. Bacteria and fungi are used to important particular texture, taste, flavor to cheese. Microbes are used to produce industrial products like lactic acid, acetic acid, and alcohol. Microbes are used to produce industrial products like lactic acid, acetic acid, alcohol, which are used in a variety of process in the industry. Antibiotics like penicillin are produced by useful microbes are used to kill disease-causing harmful microbes. Antibodies have played a major role in the controlling infection like diphtheria, whooping cough, and निमोनिया हाँ फॉर निमोनिया लिखा हुआ फिंक ऑफ एंड निमोनिया फॉर मोर देन हंड्रेड्स ईयर माइक्रोब्स आर बीइंग यूज टू ट्रीट सीवेज वेस्ट वाटर कितना हंड्रेड ऑफ ईयर से बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्टिविटी स्लट बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्टिवली स्लट फॉर्मेशन एंड द हेल्प इन रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ वाटर इन नेचर मिथेनोजेन प्रोड्यूस मिथेनोजेन प्रोड्यूस मीथेन बायोगैस वाइल डिग्रेडिंग प्लांट वेस्ट हाँ मैथाजोन प्रोड्यूस मीथेन गैस वाइल डिग्रेडिंग प्लांट वेस्ट मीथेन यहाँ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये मिथेनोजिन प्रोड्यूस मीथेन गैस वाइल डिग्रेडिंग प्लांट वेस्ट बायोगैस प्रोड्यूस बाय द माइक्रोब्स is used as a source of energy in rural area. Microbes can also be used to kill harmful pesticide, a process called biocontroller. The biocontroller measures help to avoid the heavy use of toxic pesticide for controlling pest. There is a need this day to push our use of biofertilizer in a place of chemical fertilizer. There is need this day to push our use of biofertilizer in a place of chemical fertilizer. It is a clear form of diverse use human beings have put microbes to that play an important role in the welfare of human society. Okay, completed.